Hi everyone, are you looking for a powerful AI chat or creative assistant? Here's how to start your Minimax IO completely free in 2025. Let's get started. First, visit the official site of Minimax, and here you can also download the Minimax app. Then sign up for a free account, use your email, phone number, and more. Then you can access the AI features. Once logged in, you can use tools like AI chat, AI image generation, AI writing and story creation, and personal assistant tools. The Minimax supports both casual use and advanced creative tasks. Then you can explore built-in presets or create your own. Use a pre-built chat personalities or set your own custom characters, and you can also adjust the traits, tone, and conversation style. And for the free accounts may have a daily message or token limit, a fewer customization options than paid paints. Upgrade only if needed because most users can offer and explore a lot for free. And that's it. The Minimax.io makes it easy to jump into world of AI chats, creativity, and productivity without paying a cent upfront. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.